I'm Rory, site supervisor at the Kurri preschool job. Just about to give you guys a walkthrough. To start off with, we got our sandpit area underway. We had just some timber sleepers as sort of retaining the sand. It wasn't working for them, so we installed some sandstone billets, which involved excavating out some road base in, lay these blocks back on top, pointed them up and dressed the sandstone. Next of all, we went across to our little garden area here, which we've installed some of our natural stone steppers amongst native plants. Moving up to our little mud area, mud kitchen, we've got some more sandstone billet retaining wall here just to hold this mud/sandy loam in place. And then we've got our mud kitchen, which was built by us and designed by us as well. Right, I'm moving on to sort of our main area here. We'll start off with our edging, comes down as into a car track for kids to play Hot Wheels and that sort of thing on, and just to separate the turf from the garden sensory path area. We've got our natural steppers coming down into our sensory path. This is just for the kids to get a feel of different surfaces and that sort of thing. With our concrete sleepers, cobblestone paving and recycled brick paving, which runs into our zoysia grass area, which is a softer, non-mowable, low maintenance grass for the kids to roll around and play on. Into our deck landing platform over here, that's done out of spotted gum. Down into our stepping stumps at assorted heights, just to encourage a bit of danger play for the kids to get around towards our tri-tramp climbing frame.